How to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, just tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on the media option. And now here, once you're inside the media section, here you'll see the video quality section. So here what you can do is enable the optimized in the video quality section, and just below that there you will see the autoplay option. So there in the autoplay option you have to select on mobile data and Wi-Fi option, and these are the only two settings that you need to enable. And with that, any pictures you upload will automatically upload in high quality. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.